Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel.
Today we are going to draw and color a cute cat.
Let's start drawing.
I draw her head first. Then I draw her cute eyes. I'm going to draw a little heart for the nose of our cute kitten, her mouth, her 2 ears. Now I draw her body. And now I draw her 4 little legs. The tail. Now I add some patches on her body. Great!
Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring.
I'm going to color this cute kitty with the colors of the rainbow. Red, then orange, yellow, then I add a little bit of light green here, dark green, light blue, a little bit of dark blue, light purple, purple, pink, gray,
If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.